Hello and welcome to another episode of Ashaya Day Trip Productions. Today is Sunday, June 9th, 2024. No real big plans for today, so I think I'm just going to head out and take a little Sunday afternoon drive. It was storming pretty good this morning and it's going to clear up for a little bit and then it's supposed to cloud up and rain again. So I figured I'd go out today and just drive around. I got a few places in mind I'd like to pay a visit to. So let's roll. Alright, so I made it to my first stop on my little Sunday drive today. I'm out here at the Flint Creek Power Plant Eagle Watch Nature Trail. It's out here in Gentry, Arkansas, which is just a small town. Over here they got you no fishing allowed at the Eagle Watch site. Public fishing dock located on Cripps Road. So if you want to come out and go fishing, they got a fishing dock. I'm not going to be doing any fishing today. Right here they got you no little thing that says not liable for accidents. No guns of any kind are allowed. No alcohol, no fires, no camping, no hunting. And as I mentioned this morning, it was raining today pretty good, so it's still a little overcast. Looks like here somebody had planted a red maple right there. Planted and dedicated of Mr. Donald Maples. And over here we got a little bit more information. So we'll walk up this way a little bit. See part of the power plant off in the distance up there. I don't think I'll be seeing many eagles out here, but they got some bird boxes out here. Nice quiet little trail, easy walk. So another bird box possibly there. This trail is just pretty much just all gravel, level, so it's a pretty easy walk. And this little nature trail is just right off Highway 12. There's no real signage, so I actually passed it up, so I had to turn around a little bit and come back. That sign out there by that tree says it's a black cherry. And there used to be a black willow, which is no more. Got a wahoo. All right. Got a little sitting area out here if you need a rest for a minute. Sugar maple. Not sure if that used to be the sugar maple. Maybe they planted a new one right there. And sounds like we got a little action going on here in Gentry. Cops hot on the trail, somebody being stupid on a motorcycle. Gotta love it. This sign right here says important bird area. I don't see too many birds. It's just me out here right now, so it's kind of peaceful, except for the police chase. So that there is a serviceberry. Now we did have some tornadoes and some major storms that passed through here in Decatur, actually, which is not too far from here, a little bit north. So I don't know if these were, looks like they were cut down due to a previous storm or what they had going on. That is a Possum Haw viburnum. Interesting name. Not quite sure how far this trail goes back here. This is a river birch. Familiar with these trees, although this one here seems to have seen better days. Got a Washington hawthorn tree. Okay. Looks like it's back out here just a little bit. Says no fishing in this area. Please stay on designated trails. No problem. Walked all the way back there. Come back here, I don't know, maybe half a mile, maybe. And obviously I'm not gonna go any farther back, but it looks like the trail goes back off that way a little bit. Yeah, see make out the lake a little bit back there. Got a little pavilion out here. Got another little viewing place right there. And this is a Swepco Lake. Let's see people off over there fishing. Out here it gives you some information about the birds that you can find out here, and also the butterflies. Here's some. Not sure what kind of bird that was making that noise, but not an eagle, so. Oof. A little wobbly, some of these boards. So I think that's probably about as far as I'm gonna go. I'm sure it's fine, but no need to walk out to the end. Got another view of the power plant out there. Alright. This is the first stop I have planned today on my little Sunday afternoon drive. It's a nice little park, just as I mentioned earlier. It's in Gentry, Arkansas, off Highway 12. And of course, as with any place I visit, you can always find information online. But if you do come out here, just know that there's not really much signage telling you where you are at. So you might pass it up. It's just right off Highway 12. It's just a little gravel parking lot. So I'm gonna head back up the other way where I came in at. I'm gonna head on to my next destination. Alright, so I made it back to my vehicle. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this, just a little gravel parking area. Got park benches there if you need to sit down, just want to relax. Give you a good 360 view. Some houses out here, not too many. And that right there, that's just Highway 12. So I think I'm gonna head out to the next place. Alright, I've made it now to my second destination. I'm out here in Siloam Springs. It says, "Welcome to City Lake Park." And my first time at this park. And it is a very, very nice park. Come up here and just read a little bit about what this little signage says up here. And apparently we got some trails. They give you a little information about it. Got some bird watching spots out here. Gives you a little bit of a view or a little bit of a map. Show you what the trails look like. And over here we got some little mammals and reptiles that you can find in the area. I guess all this out there is the bike. I guess that's a little bike course, mountain bike course, I don't know. Got plenty of parking out here, as you can see. It's not too busy. We got family down there playing some sports. Got restrooms over there. Looks like we got the lake down there, so I think I'm gonna head down, just walk down that way and take a look around, see what we got. Okay, so I'm steadily just making my way, walking the path here. It's quite the path. And I gotta turn on the camera because I hear noises. Of course, now that I turn on the camera, it stops, so you know, that's how that goes. There it is. Cha cha cha. Sorry, just messing around. You gotta have a sense of humor when you're out walking. Looks like it could storm in any minute. I don't have an umbrella, and I'm out here with a new camera. Oh, a cardinal. Now this park here, it's another place I looked up online, so if you want to come out, it's in Siloam Springs, Arkansas. I actually came through the back way, so not 100% sure of the location, but it's not hard to find. Yeah, it's pretty easy to spot out here. When I was driving by, I had no issue finding it. I didn't pass it up like I did the park in the nature trail in Gentry. Right here you got a nice little bench if you need to take a rest. It's an easy walk. It's not a short walk, but it's level, it's gravel, level, and looks like there's a lake up here I'm gonna make my way up to. This is some sort of blind. So I guess if you want, you could walk up there. You could take a look out the blind, see what wildlife might be out there. Just kind of walk in here for a quick little peek. So you come out here, just be very quiet. You can see if you see anything interesting. There you go. That's pretty neat. I'm gonna walk up this way. I guess I'll just continue walking around. Might as well. Came this far. Might as well continue on. Yeah, as I was saying, one thing about with all the rain we've had, it's actually cooled off a little bit. It's not really humid at all right now. Of course, it's cloudy, so there's no sun beating down on me. Yeah, it's definitely a disc golf course. That's what it is, a disc golf course. Just kind of stand out here and listen to the sounds of nature. Here you get a good view of the lake. And out here you have some bird nesting boxes as well. I did see a bird fly out of there. I think it might have been a little sparrow or something. Didn't quite make it out. Okay, so I'm walking around the park out here, and I see some folks out in a canoe. Don't know if you can quite make them out or not, so apparently there's some canoeing out here. Not quite sure where they come in at, but there you go. And it is a disc golf course. I think I might have played disc golf once, maybe twice. It wasn't quite my thing. Alright, so apparently down this way you got some walking paths. I'm not gonna walk down here too far, but I figured why not, since I'm out here, walk down just a little bit. Well, a little steep, not too bad. Apparently, oh yeah, got a little creek bed right through here. Now I guess apparently you can walk up quite a ways up that way, which I won't be doing that today. It's quite a lot to explore out here. That's pretty neat. Step out here for a minute, check out this big fallen tree. See what's living in it. Be careful while I walk. I'm got quite a few mosquitoes out here. Haven't seen any snakes. I think there's probably something maybe living in there. Maybe, possibly. Got a beautiful shot of a side of a, I don't know, steep hill, small mountain. There, I'm not sure if you want to call that a golf. No, it can't be a golf car. Maybe a, I don't know, tractor, go-kart, something. I don't know. Got another view of it over here. Whatever it is, it looked like it has 4 wheels and a steering wheel. Right, so I made it all the way around the trail. I was heading back to my vehicle and came across this. Gives you a little bit of information of the disc golf course. Tells you a little bit about the rules, hole distance, and all that good stuff. So you got the lake, disc golf, a bike, something or other. Plenty of walking to do. There you go. This right here is kind of interesting. They got a place where you can donate plastic bags or grocery bags, you know. You can donate them here so people can use it to clean up after their dog with. So that's a pretty good idea. Got a little seating area out here. Another spot right there. Alright, so I just drove up a little ways and I just pulled off to the side here. Looks like we got a nice little fishing area. We got folks out there fishing. Got some little banks that go out into the water. Got a little fishing dock. Got some fishing down on the other side. And this is just, I just drove back from that way a little bit. And this is just off, also right off the road. So if you want to come out and do a little fishing, you come out here. Looks like there's plenty of places. So I'm gonna head up the road a little bit. Alright, well I think I've reached my final destination for the day. No trip to Siloam Springs would be complete without a stop to downtown to visit the spring that rolls through the center of town. Place to come out, it's kind of peaceful out here. Got sitting places out here, some gazebos. This, I believe, is the Veterans Park, if I'm not mistaken. I've been out here before. Nice place to come out. Just amazes me how blue, kind of like a blue-green color this water is out here. Just looking at it tells me it's clean. Got part of it's like an old tree sticking up, and you can see kind of where it goes down towards the bottom. Alright, so that's going to do it all for me today. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. There will be more to come. My plan is always to get out at least once a week, and it's been kind of give or take here lately. So I will be making more trips. I hope to be going out of town soon, outside the Northwest Arkansas area. So until next time, bye.